I'm Katie from the Sewcial Circle. Welcome to your Rabbits and Rainbows online sewing course. I'm so excited to get stuck in with you. Today we are going to be stitching little rabbits and their own little carrot sleeping bags. I thought it was quite a cute idea, so they just tuck into there. So we're going to be stitching those two things, and then there's a bonus activity for the end, which is the rainbow garland. So you've got everything in your kit, the rainbows, you should have a sheet of rainbows, some garland string, as well as all your sewing materials. The only thing additional to what I've sent you in the mail that you'll need are scissors. For the garland, you can use either tape or darning needle to assemble it. So whatever you've got at home can be any sort of tape or darning needle, and some coloring materials. So it could be felt tips, coloring pencils. I've used a bit of paint on mine, so whatever you have available will work. And I'll see you in the workshop.